channel once again. A wonderful and beautiful good evening to you. Today what I'll be showing you is how to manually update WordPress. So WordPress is a content management system used for creating and managing websites. So if you're a web designer, you may be conversant with website. WordPress powers over 40 something percent of the whole world wide web, of the whole web space. So you can see how popular WordPress is. Why would you want to update your WordPress site? Well, there are times that your website may run into certain issues. Updating your WordPress website can correct some issues or some problems your website might be having. Similarly, if your if your website is not configured to auto update when a new version of the WordPress core is released, you will need to manually update your WordPress website, like how you will frequently update your themes and plugins when new themes and new versions of your themes and plugins are released. So it is also important that you update your WordPress when a new version is released. This will also make it possible for you to take advantage of new security fixes and releases and versions that may have been incorporated into the new version that is released. So without wasting much time, I would like to show you how to update your WordPress core. So to update WordPress, if you towards the left hand corner, you see this right pointing and left pointing arrows. So when you click on this, you can update your WordPress core. Now you may not be able to see this in your own version of WordPress, but at any point in time you can also visit this web address to update. For instance, if your website starts with, let's say, www.az.com, then you can add /wp admin /update core.php. that will enable you to, it will take you to the page where you can update the WordPress core from. So in this case, in this tutorial, I'll be using the update icon to update this website. So if you see here, you can see this icon with this 33, which is showing us some available updates that we need to make. So if I click on this, I can update WordPress. Now if I scroll down, you see current version 6.0.2, last checked on September 12th 2022 at 8:57 p.m., which is today. It was just check again. So I'm currently running the latest version of WordPress, but I would like to just to reinstall it again to show you how to do it. And then similarly, if you are encountering some challenges with your WordPress website, even if you are running the the most current version, you can still reinstall it to see if it helps to fix the issues you are facing. So if I click reinstall version 6.02, it will reinstall this present version. So I'll now click that. So as you can see, it is currently updating. It's running the update presently. So you can see that I've reinstalled the version 6.02, even though I was running the most current version. I have reinstalled it again. So this is how you can update your WordPress core. Now, how do you update your themes and your plugins? Now if I go back to the page where I came from, or if I click here again, you see this number was 33 before, which showed that we had 33 items that we needed, that we are available. 33 updates, pending updates. Now okay, now clicking that again, you can see now it's showing us that we have 29 plugins with new updates that need to be installed. The following plugins have new versions available. Check the ones you want to update and then click update plugins. So while it is possible for you to update your plugins one by one, you can as well select all of them at the same time, and then you click this update plugins and it will update your plugins for you. Is that okay? So if I click this update plugins, it will update them. Then another way you can update your plugins, if you scroll down, you scroll down, you'll see plugins. This is showing us that we have 29 updates to be installed. If you click on installed plugins, now it will take you to the list of installed plugins. So if you want to update them one by one, you can do that here. You can see there is a new version of this plugin available. So if you want to just update this one, you can just click update now and it will update that. But if you want to update all the plugins, you can just tick all of them. You pick the action you want to execute from here. Here you click update, then you click apply, and it's going to update all your plugins for you. Similarly, if you want to update your themes, if you have more than one theme installed, you can update all of them, but it is advised that you should not leave themes and plugins that you are not using, because it's a point of attack for attackers. Attackers can use that as a security vulnerability to attack your WordPress website. So that is why it's advised that you should not leave installed plugins and themes that you are not using. This particular website is still under development. I'm still working on this website. So if you come here now to update your theme, let me show you how you can update your theme. So here you come to themes. So to go to the theme, you go to appearance, then you click themes, and as you see, we have 4 updates available. If you see my list of themes, you can see them here. So you can likewise here too, you can update your themes one by one. You can click this update now, update now, update now, and it's going to update all your themes. So I believe with this I have been able to show you how you can update your WordPress core, which will help to fix security challenges if your website is undergoing any security challenge that can be fixed by an update. Updating your WordPress core can help to fix that. And then I showed you more than one way you can use to update the WordPress core, and then I also showed you how to update your WordPress plugins, and I showed you 2 approaches you can use to update the plugins, and I also showed you how to update your WordPress themes. So these are the 3 basic items you can actually update on WordPress. The WordPress core itself, the WordPress theme, and your plugins. So if you like this video, do not forget to give me a thumbs up, and then also share this video with your friends, your loved ones, and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more helpful videos and tutorials to be dropping soon. Click the notification icon so as to be notified when I upload more helpful content like this. So once again, thank you for watching, thank you for hanging around. Have a beautiful night rest. Peace.